Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get any Windows 11 update quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu on your Windows 11 desktop. Next, open Settings. You can either click the Settings icon or simply type Settings in the search bar and open it. Once you're inside Settings, look on the left side and click on Windows Update. Now, enable the option Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. This makes sure you receive new features earlier. After that, click Check for Updates. Windows will now search for the newest update available for your device. If no update appears, don't worry. Sometimes it takes time to roll out. Just repeat the process later and check again. And that's it. You now know how to get any Windows 11 update easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.